Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install FL Studio in Windows PC or laptop. Let's get started. First is go to the official website, open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or etc. Search for FL Studio, then open the official site. Once you're on the official site, click download, then under Windows, click the download button and choose where to save the file. Usually, the file will be saved at downloads. Then wait for the installer to finish downloading. Now go to your download folder and double click the installer file. Then click yes if asked for permission. Then after that, click next and accept the license and choose install for all users. Then click next. And after that, select components. Make sure these are checked. FL Studio core files, plugins, and ASIO drivers, important for better audio performance. Then click next. Then choose install location. You can leave it as default or click next, then install and wait for installation to complete. Now follow the prompts and click next and install, then finish. And after that, open the studio, then go to start menu and search FL Studio and open it. To activate, if you brought it, log in to unlock full version. If not, use free trial, then you can test all features. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.